How to buy Tim Hortons stock. There are many types of pension funds and protected rights is one of them. These funds are put in by the government and it applies for those who have taken up the state's second pension or now commonly known as S2P scheme, formerly known as the SERPs. In 1988 this scheme was revised and it became more flexible to the needs of all those who took it up. Those who opted for SERPs now have the right to redirect their pension into their own pension plan or company pension scheme. So you create your own provision for pension instead of opting for the government pension provision. However, in addition to this benefit, this revised scheme basically lets you make the kind of investments that you feel are most beneficial for you, which gains you better financial benefits. The biggest benefit that you get when you opt for protected rights is that when you need cash the most, you can take 25% out of this fund in the form of cash, and this is tax-free. You don't have to retire to do this, which is where the flexibility really makes a difference, as you get cash when you need it the most. You can invest your protected right funds in many different types of investment funds. Combining your protected rights funds with other types of investment funds such as SIP and putting them into one single fund is a great choice. This is where taking the help from professional investment advisors will be of great help, and they will guide you on which investments offer maximum return and why, so that you put your money in places that give you maximum returns. Take advice from professional investment advisors right away and direct your money where it will most benefit you in the years to come.